Genius trick for cooking meat. I wish I'd learned this sooner. I added 100 grams of meat to each cup. Folks, freeze this meat separately for convenience. In a pressure cooker, add oil and 500 g cube meat. I used 5 cups here. Add chopped onion, crushed garlic and brown it. Season with paprika, pepper, salt and mix again. Add water to cover all the meat. Stir lightly, cover and cook for 40 minutes. Meat's cooked. I've reduced some liquid. Look how it turned out. Now just press to shred the meat well. Set it aside for now. In another bowl, add 3 large cooked potatoes and mash them well. Now I'll add a tablespoon of butter. Then about 200 grams of cream cheese. Add salt to taste and mix everything thoroughly. That's the perfect consistency. Now let's transfer it all to a baking dish. On top we'll add all our shredded meat. Then pour some of the meat's cooking liquid. Finally, top it with plenty of mozzarella. Bake at 200 degrees until it starts to brown. Look how amazing this shredded meat casserole is. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks.